welcome back for another video. This one's not a very pleasant one. I sort of broke down at Hilton Head Island in South Carolina. On the way down, every time I stop, I always check my spindles or hubs, make sure they're staying cool from the grease. And my left front, or the driver's side front hub was warm, so I took the hubcap off and shot some more grease in there. Then I continued on to Hilton Head, which I was only about 30 miles from. Got here and it was warm again. So this is Sunday evening, 6 o'clock. So tomorrow morning I got to call around to find somebody to, I can drive it probably 2 or 3 miles and I wouldn't worry about it, but I got to drive it somewhere and have them repack the grease on that bearing. Probably have them do both, left and right. And I have to also have them check my cooling system, because it doesn't seem like the fan is coming on at the right time. So anyhow, thanks for watching this video. Well, I'll keep you apprised of what's going on and what's going to cost me and when I'll be out of here. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and see you soon.